Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Good morning everyone. I am Neha Ashwani, your EVS teacher. Today we'll be beginning with a new chapter, that is chapter number 7, Light. I welcome you all to your EVS class. Okay, so let us begin. What is light? See children, everything that we can see around us is just because of light. You'll notice that during the day, the sunlight helps us to see all the things, but at night when we don't have the sunlight, what do? We use the electric bulbs, we use the torches and all to see the things. Why? Because these sources at night help us to see things. These electric bulbs and torches are the artificial source of light. They help us to see the things during night time, whereas during the daytime, the sunlight, that is the natural source of light, it helps us to see the things. Now coming to the next topic, that is light travels in a straight line. If you have seen the water flowing in a stream, you can say, or if you have seen the rivers and all the water, how the water flows in the rivers, the path of the water is not straight. It keeps on changing direction. It bends around any stone that comes in its way. Whenever any stone is there on the way, it just bends. However, light cannot bend its way. You can see that light can never end its way. It always travels in a straight line. It can travel through air also. It can travel through water also. Now, the next important term, that is reflection. What is reflection? You all can see your reflection in the mirrors. Whenever you are standing in front of mirrors, you can see your reflection there. Have you ever noticed that when you throw a ball on the wall, it just bounces off? And when even the light hits anything, it bounces off as well. This light just falls on any object and it reflects back. Means you can say that firstly the light falls on the object, and from that object the light is reflected back to our eyes, and when this reflected light reaches our eyes, we are able to see the things. Means the light directly don't fall into our eyes. Firstly the light falls on the objects, then the objects reflects back, and then the reflect back reaches our eyes. Now coming to the next topic, that is refraction. See, here you can see the image of a straw. If you see, it seems that the straw is broken. If you keep the straw in a water-filled glass, a glass full of water, it would appear that it is slightly bent or even it is broken into pieces. This happens just because the light bends when it travels from air to water. Firstly, the light is in air, now it is in water. So it just bends. The bending of light when travels from air to water is known as refraction. I hope students you are clear with both the terms. That was reflection and this is refraction. Just go through it carefully students about what is, just go through reflection and refraction very carefully. Now in the next topic, in the next lecture, we will be continuing with the other topics. Till then students, read all this, go through it very carefully. Thank you students, stay home, be safe.